In this video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube channel. First, open your YouTube Studio and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. From here, go to Channel. Switch to the Advanced Settings tab and scroll all the way down until you see Remove YouTube Content. Clicking this will redirect you to a Google page where you can choose between hiding your channel or deleting it permanently. Select I want to permanently delete my content. Keep in mind that this will erase all your videos, subscriptions, subscribers, comments, and watch history. If you're sure about this, check all the required boxes to confirm, click Delete My Content, and your channel will be removed.